Hello, my wonderful friends of the internet. My name is Hisae.
I got that, I got that goddamn.
And today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I used to have one of these on my channel, but I took it down a while ago. And you guys have been wanting a new one ever since, so I thought I might as well film one. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before we hop into the video, if you can't tell by the title, I am vegan, so I eat a completely plant-based diet. And other than that, I don't have any other restrictions on myself. I've been learning to eat intuitively, which has definitely helped me a lot, develop a better relationship with food. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want more of these, just let me know, and we're gonna hop right into the video.
Smoking out the way I feel emotion, so good, it's so bad, it's so bad, it's so new. And I'm gonna be tonight. And I'm gonna be tonight. And I'm gonna be tonight. And I'm gonna be
If you try this, it will change your life. Like, no joke. Best hummus I've ever had. Ever. And anything from this brand, try it. It's not sponsored, but I met one of the guys who helped create it. Oh my god. Changed my life. Try it. Cold pressed hummus. What? Amazing.
Je suis perdue.
You whisper that the hard way sounds.
Whatever.
Majority rules anyway they say. It's hard to picture myself as if so I might end up here.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and got a little insight on what I eat in a day. If you guys have any questions, comment them. I will be more than happy to answer. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.